Hi guys, NIO finally broke resistance. Looking at the 1 month chart, we can see that NIO's last resistance point was around $38.06. Right now we're hovering around $38.50, which is a big improvement concerning everything that happened in the last couple of weeks and month. NIO will be growing. If you ask me, we're going to go up from this point on, because looking at what the news articles are writing right now, and we know that NIO is a very news sensitive stock, we can see that all of the news coming out right now is very positive. For instance, when we look at the Hefei plant, they renovated the plant and the capacity right now is around 120,000 cars a year, which means 10,000 a month, and this is on a single shift. When NIO switches on the second shift, we will be able to produce 240,000 cars a year, which means 20,000 a month. This will be done in January once the ET7 starts the production. Not only that, but looking at other articles, for example, we're seeing right now that analysts say that the worst period of the chip shortages for the auto industry has ended. The drought has finally ended. We can read, like, for example, with chip supply gradually improving in the next 3 to 5 months, China's auto industry is expected to enter the inventory raising phase, and car makers' production and wholesale sales are expected to gradually pick up, TF Securities said. It's looking very bright right now. The sales are going up. There is less supply chain constraint, which is also factual in the numbers. Everything is going great right now with China and with NIO right now. We had 10,000 sales number last month. This month we're gonna also hit around 10K for sure, which is amazing. We can also look at the average daily sales growth rate of wholesale cars in China, which didn't look very good. We're looking at the month of September, it was quite negative, ranging from minus 34% to minus 39%, but it went all the way up to 11% in the last couple of days of September, which shows us that the chip supply shortages was very heavily affecting the auto industry, and it shows us right now that we're having the upper hand. The chip supply shortages aren't affecting NIO as much and other car manufacturers like Li Auto or Xiaopeng. According to the data we have right now, NIO's average sale price of last month's deliveries that we had over 10K cars was around $68,600. This was plus or minus 18,000 more than any Tesla that got sold. This shows us a lot, guys. This means that NIOs truly get sold for what they are, the brand, the image, everything NIO offers, and in general, it's way higher than a Tesla and people still choose NIO. This shows us, guys, that a lot of people appreciate NIO for what it really truly is. Not only was it more expensive than NIO, but it was also more expensive, significantly more than BMW and Mercedes, 5,000 to 7,000 more than a BMW. Come on, guys, this shows us truly that people want NIO to succeed, that people love NIO, and once they get inside of NIO, they test it out, they test drive it, they fall in love into NIO, guys. And looking at the stock price, guys, I can't imagine what's going to happen right now. I'm expecting to go at least to $50 this month, because everything is so good right now. It's just lining up perfectly to go up. This, guys, it's not a short-term strategy, but you got to go long-term with NIO. Even though if it went down, we should have been still strong with NIO, because all of the fundamentals are improving day by day. Which company is improving so good, so hard, just like NIO is doing right now? Amazing. I'm truly proud. I'm truly proud of the people working at NIO and doing their part. I'm doing my part right now by spreading the word, and I love it, guys. I'm truly happy that we're on the NIO train. As Mr. NIO Trending says, Aaron, I love the guy. I love his enthusiasm. I love everything that he does. He's just an amazing guy. Such a good guy. So what's for the future? Looking at the future, we can see that NIO Day is coming soon. The ET5 will be launched. And when we look at the ET5, what do I see personally when I look at ET5? When I see ET5, the NIO ET5, I see NIO success. It's not in the ET5, not in the ET7, I mean, not in the EC6, ES8, or the other model, or in the cheaper budget models. The success of NIO will be in the ET5, and quote me on it. Because when I look at Tesla and how Tesla got big, it was because of the Model 3. Before the Model 3, Tesla wasn't even big. Look at the Model S sales and compare it to the Model 3 sales. The same will happen with the NIO ET7 and the NIO ET5. The NIO ET7 will only sell around 10% of what the ET5 will sell, and that's just a fact. Looking at Tesla, that's the same thing that's happened last year. In 2020, Tesla sold around 200,000 Model 3s, and they sold around 20,000 Model S's. This just shows us that the Model 3 sold 10 times more than the Model S. It's because it's a budget model, and it offers just as much as the Model S does at lower price point, which will happen with the same will happen with NIO. The ET5 will offer just as much and just as good stuff as the ET7 at a way lower price point, which will be beneficial for the stockholders, for everybody trying to buy the car. I'm just happy, guys. I woke up today in a very good mood. I'm happy. Bless you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Whew. We're gonna have a great week this week, because I'm feeling like NIO finally broke the resistance and it's going to go up from here. I'm very happy for us, guys. I hope you guys comment so I can comment back. Hope you have a great week. I see you guys in the next one. Peace out.